Hello, Chef Isabella here with Mansfield ISD Student Nutrition presenting Dorm Room Cooking. It's one of our district initiatives to make sure that students are college and career ready when they graduate high school. So we've put together a list of items that you would need to have on hand so that you could make simple recipes in your dorm or your first apartment. We also have a shopping list of some staples that are easy to combine and make some pretty interesting, fun recipes. And today we're going to be showing you, for breakfast, a strawberry banana smoothie, for lunch, a healthy version of chicken salad, for snack, hummus with a fresh veggie dipper cup, and for dinner, stackable ramen, which is not your average ramen. So here we have our setup for our strawberry banana smoothie. We're going to start with some orange juice, but you could also use regular milk, or if you wanted to, oat milk, nut milk. We have some strawberry banana yogurt, but you're free to use the flavor of your choice. Some frozen strawberries. You could also use mixed berries if you'd like, and half a banana. We're going to go ahead and screw the lid on for this NutriBullet, which is available for purchase at most major department stores. We're going to blend that for about 2.5 minutes. Once we have that finished, give it a shake. We're going to double check and make sure that there aren't any lumps in there, that it's nice and smooth. And there you have it. Next, we're going to move on to our healthy version of chicken salad. So here we have all of the ingredients that we're going to include. We're going to start by dicing our cucumber. And it's really nice to have the option at the grocery store for a lot of pre-cut fruits and veg. However, in this case, we're dicing the cucumber. We are going to use some pre-made pico de gallo, which is going to save us a little bit of time. Just give that a quick dice. Alright, there you have it. This is some pre-cooked chicken, which is available in most grocery stores in the refrigerator or the frozen section, and another great option would be a rotisserie chicken. So we got that nice and chopped up. We're going to add that to our cucumbers. And here we have that pre-made pico de gallo. It's just a quick and easy addition. Here we have some distilled white vinegar and some garlic powder. I'm going to go ahead and give that a nice stir so that that vinegar coats everything and gives it a nice bright flavor. Next, we're going to add some olive oil. Give that another quick stir. And all of these recipes are customizable. In this case, we're going to go ahead and add some additional avocado, which has a creamy, delicious texture and is a much better fat for you than the saturated fats that are found in mayonnaise, typical to chicken salad. All right, we're being very delicate and ginger in how we're cutting this cucumber because it is possible that you could hurt yourself. However, go at the speed that you feel comfortable with. And scoop all of that goodness out and give it one more stir. All right, now we have this delicious chicken salad, and it's even better on day 2. Next up is our veggie and hummus dipper cup. We're going to start with our cucumber, and this one we're actually cutting in a different manner. We're going to cut it in half, and then we're going to cut it into spears, and that way it's easier to put it into our dipper cup. Makes it easier to dip. These are pre-cut from the grocery store, this celery is, and we're just trimming off the ends to make sure that it's nice and fresh, and then we're going to cut them in half so that we have some easy to handle sticks. Alright, here we have our hummus. We're taking some carrots, which are pre-washed, pre-rinsed, ready to go for you, our cucumber and our celery. We're going to pop a lid on it, and now it's ready to travel to class with you. Here is our setup for our not so average ramen. We're going to start by cutting up some green onions. And again, with all of these being customizable, if there's an ingredient that you're not thrilled about, leave it out. Now we have some more of those celery sticks that we already had on hand. And I know mushrooms are love them or hate them. I happen to love them, which is why I'm adding them in. But of course, you could leave them out or add a different vegetable in their place if they're not your thing. So get some nice sliced mushrooms there. Here we have some low sodium chicken broth, and to it we are adding some ground ginger as well as some minced garlic. We're going to put that to the side. Alright, here we have half a package of ramen. We've thrown out that salty, weird packet that it comes with. We've added our diced chicken. We have some matchstick carrots, which are always great to have on hand for salad. Some of those mushrooms, and again, if you don't like them, leave them out. Here we have some celery, as well as some spinach that we have on hand in case we want a salad as well. And last but not least, we have our green onions. Whoop, missed a few. They are one of my favorites, so I have to make sure I get them all in. Here we have it in the microwave with that chicken broth. We microwaved it for 3 minutes, let it sit for 4, and here is our completed product. A healthier version of ramen that's super delicious. Alright, we look forward to you sharing your meal inspirations with us on social media, and we'd love for you to follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. And here are the recipes for all of the items that we made today, including some interesting customizations, and we look forward to seeing what you made.